Hello students, today we will be going over the pink review worksheet. We're going to review slope-intercept form. This is this worksheet right here, and I'm going to read right here, slope-intercept form. Linear equations are frequently written in slope-intercept form. So in this big area right here, we're going to write right here, slope-intercept form remembers y equals mx plus b, where m is a number and b is a number. Okay, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. I don't know if you can see that, I-N-T-E-R-C-E-P-T, y-intercept, okay? So, given the slope and the y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form, okay? Here's the slope, here's the y-intercept. So we say y equals, slope is 2 x minus 1. And we're done. This is like easy peasy. So again, y equals blank x plus blank. So y equals, slope is negative 3/5. So negative 3/5 x plus 4. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's even worse. Okay. Next, I'll let you do 3 and 4. I'm going to just go on to 5. 5 is a little bit trickstery. Slope is 1/4. So y equals 1/4 x. Now, if the y-intercept is 0, we just don't write it over there. We just leave it like that, and we're done. Okay, next we're going to go on to the next part, where it's given a graph. Number 7, our directions here are identify the slope and the y-intercept of the line on the graph. Then write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So if I look at my 2 dots on the graph, I can figure out my slope from that. If I start here and I go up here, I rise 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go ahead and draw the triangle. Rise 3, 1, run 1. So 3 over 1, which simplifies to 3. B is our y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-intercept? 1, 2, 3, 4. At negative 4, positive 4 would be up there. So our equation is y equals, can you see that okay? M is 3x plus b. And minus 4 is fine. So we get y equals 3x minus 4. And we're done. Okay, we're going to go on to number 8. And again, I might want to move it up. Hopefully you can see it okay without those glares in the way. Okay, number 8. There's my graph. And I'm going to see how far it is between here. And I'm going to do rise over run. Make my triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if I go left, it's negative. If I go down, it's negative. I start here, I went up 6 over negative 4, and that simplifies to negative 3/2, which means 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, and it should go through right there. Okay. B is, where does it cross the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, positive 7. So our equation is y equals, what's our m? Negative 3/2 x plus 7. And we're done. Okay, now we're going to do one on the next page. You should be able to do the back side of that page now. Then we're going to go to the 3rd page on graphing linear equations. Okay. So we have y equals negative x plus 5. I'm going to circle this. This is where we start. So it's our initial point or our starting point plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our slope. If nothing is in front of x, we can put a 1 there. And if that's a whole number, we can also put it over 1. So that means we're going to rise this many, and we're going to run this many. So rise negative 1, run 1. So we're going to graph that. And there you go. Done. Okay. Number 2, and I think most all of these are in slope-intercept form with the exception of one of them being switched back and forth, like the x was over here. So if the x is over here, I would rewrite it and put the x here. Okay. For example, like 9, I would write y equals negative 6/5 x plus 1, so that it's a mx plus b. Here we start at negative 1. I'm going to put that whole number over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Or I could go 1, 2, 3 over 1. So there's my graph. Okay. So again, I think it was number 8. I'll put number 8 over here and have you rewrite it. Oh no, it wasn't 8. I think it was 9. Yeah. 9, y equals negative 6/5 x. I think it's plus 1. And then you can graph that easily with this being the y-intercept, starting point, and this being your slope. Make sure negative is going to be going down and then to the right. Okay, students, you can get the rest of this. You rock.